Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Yesterday we were talking about the rising wedge pattern, and you can see that the price action is still holding this support and moving above this support of the rising wedge. In today's video, I want to discuss about this rising wedge and a bigger falling wedge pattern as well, and we will also discuss about the long-term analysis of the Bitcoin. Before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at this rising wedge pattern that has been formed. And yesterday I told you that this previous trend line that previously I was also following, but still there are a lot of traders following this trend line that is quite invalidated now. Therefore, the price action has found this new trend line, and we are also having a sloping support as well. And the price action has formed this falling wedge pattern on the same daily time frame chart, and you can see that this falling wedge pattern is bigger than the rising wedge pattern. Now at the same time, the price action is at the support of this rising wedge pattern and at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. So this is really very important movement for the price action of Bitcoin. You can see if the price action breaks down this support of the rising wedge pattern, then our next target can be here. That is the tail of this rising wedge, approximately at $28,800, and this is the same level where we will have this support of the rising wedge pattern as well. And from here, after testing this level once again, the price action can be reversed bullish from here, because this is the falling wedge pattern, the support of the falling wedge, that is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. Now if the price action breaks out, we can see that we are very close to break out this falling wedge pattern resistance. And if the price action breaks out this resistance, our next target, imminent next target, can be here. That is $41,000. And if I place the volume profile again on the complete price action moving here, since we have found this support of $30,000, then we can see that this point of control of the volume profile is still moving up, and at this time it is at $35,800. And you can see whenever the price action is moving above this point of control, it is moving back to this point of control, and if it is moving below this level, away from the point of control, then it is getting reversed towards this point of control of the volume profile. And here we have very weak interest of the traders, and here we have also very weak interest of the traders, and this is the area where we have the most strong interest of the traders so far. Therefore, the price action is, whenever it is moving here in this area, it is moving towards the upside, and if it is moving in this area where we have the weak interest of the traders, the price action is moving towards the downside. Now here, while we are having this support of the rising wedge pattern, we are also having another very good support at $33,500. Yesterday I told you about this support, and we can see that whenever the price action is moving at this support, it is getting reversed to the upside. This $33,500 worked as a support here, here, and here as well. And now recently here it has been working as a very good support. And we can see that the price action is having nice bounces by this support every time whenever the price action is moving at this $33,500 price level support level. And we are also having the support of the rising wedge, and I told you that if the price action breaks down this support of the rising wedge and this support of $33,500, then the price action can move to the downside, and we should watch for this breakout or breakdown on the daily time frame chart, not on the small time period like 4-hour or hourly chart, because the small time frames can give us the false signal and the daily time frame can give us the better or confirmed signal. Now so far so good. The price action did not break down the support of this rising wedge pattern, and it is very close to break out this resistance. We have one attempt here, second attempt here, third attempt here, fourth, and this is the fifth attempt. And as more it will make the attempts for the breakout, there will be more possibility that the price action will break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the weekly, the long-term time frame chart, then we can see that we are still holding the support above this 50 simple moving average and this very strong support zone of $31,000 to $28,800. And if we take a look at the different indicators, for example, here I want to place the RSI. First, I want to place the stochastic RSI, and let me show you the MACD as well. And we can see that the stochastic is extremely oversold. This is the 18th week that the stochastic RSI, not the stochastic RSI is moving in the oversold zone. The longest time period in the history of the Bitcoin that the stochastic RSI is moving in the oversold zone, and the MACD has started turning bullish. So we can expect a rally to the upside from here. We are having the bullish signals by the MACD, and this oversold condition of the stochastic is also favoring to a rally towards the upside. And in my opinion, once the stochastic RSI will start moving up from this oversold zone, then it can lead to a long-term bullish rally, a continuation of the bull run. But on the daily time frame chart, we are still at a very critical position. We are at the resistance of the falling wedge, and we are at the support of this rising wedge pattern as well. For the short term, if the price action will break down these supports, then we can retest the $28,800. But on the long term, we are still bullish.